This is the story of a war that was fought not with swords, but with an oath. In the fields of Blackstone Vale, two kingdoms stood face to face, each desperate for victory. Fear filled the hearts of the soldiers, for this day promised either triumph or death. Suddenly, the sky tore open with lightning, making it clear that the decision would not be made on the ground. A massive shadow swept across the battlefield. Soldiers cried out, "Look at the sky!" From the storm emerged a red-winged dragon, a symbol of fire and justice. Upon its back rode Azharel, bearer of the last oath. The dragon's flames struck only the cruel commanders, and silence fell upon the field. Raising his sword, Azharel declared, "I did not come to win a war, but to end oppression." Blades lowered, breaths held. A king fell to his knees and whispered, "Enough, too much blood has been spilled." Azharel flew away with the dragon, leaving behind his oath.